everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Zama and today I'm so excited. I'm going to be showing you a mini Gymshark haul. I did do two different transactions, one that was not on sale and then the second one I got was on sale, so I was so excited about that. I'm actually wearing some right now, and I've always really liked buying like sportswear. I preferably always buy Nike, maybe Adidas, a little bit of Under Armour as well. So I have seen them on Instagram so much, and I was talking to my boyfriend about like sportswear, like, you know, like things that you wear to the gym, and I don't know how we started talking about this brand, and I told him if he knew about it, and I was like, it's this like Instagram like gym clothing line. So he actually bought from Gymshark first, and he bought me for Christmas a set from Gymshark, and then that's when I knew that I needed to buy more from Gymshark. They are very, very flattering. They're super comfortable, super stretchy. They're good quality. So this one is was this a second batch? Yeah, this was the second batch that I bought. I bought the matching set. This is the, let's see, I took the tag off. This is the training cropped hoodie in the color charcoal, and this is an extra small right here. Like the slouchier things you can definitely size down. I typically use a small, and I also got the training joggers in charcoal, and I got in small, and they're perfect. They could have been a little smaller, but I'm okay with that. So it's definitely very, very, like, it's not like constricting or anything. These are obviously not like leggings. They're not supposed to be super tight. So this is how they look from here. And they also have this drawstring that is actually a drawstring. I have had pants where it's just there for like viewing purposes, so it's not really useful. So this one you can adjust and make smaller, and this is also like it has like cotton and a little bit of maybe a polyester. I will be linking everything down below, so if you guys want to see it. So it is perfect. It is very soft. This is cotton, and it is, if you have longer arms, mine are, I mean, I would say normal. So if you have longer arms, this will definitely fit you, because if I extend it, it's gonna be like this. I am going to be doing some clips so you guys see it from top to bottom. So this is how it looks. It is so comfy. And you guys, I have like my lounger, like for my casa, is so ugly. So this is, you know, a little more presentable if you want to like go shopping, run errands. This is the perfect thing. I'm wearing them with some slides. These are my Adidas Adalette slides. Oh my gosh, those are so comfy. If Gymshark is listening, maybe not, you guys can make slides as well. So, you know, matching slides or chanclas too. So this is how it looks. It's so comfortable. I really do like the gray. I like gray and black a lot for my gym attire, and it's not like tight or anything, so it is a perfect fit. The bottom is a perfect fit, and I also got some black ones as well. So let me show you. So these are actually on sale. I think they were 20% off or like 30% off when like the whole coronavirus started. They had a sale of just why not, I think it was called. So this was my first batch. This wasn't on sale, and it's the same one that I'm wearing right now. And the top I got, is it the same? Let's see. The top I got in extra small. It's the same one as this one. But it would be perfect just because I do like to wear loungewear. And I like the hood because it is really thick. It's not just one layer. It is double layered. So this is the color. Let's see what color this one is. Oh, shoot. And you know what? These tags are like really sturdy. You won't like, they're a little bothersome when you're trying things on because they're really like thick cardboard. Anyways, it says here designed in Britain. This is the cropped Crest hoodie in the color black, and this is an extra small. So this is how it looks. I will show you guys how it looks on myself. It's essentially the same one that I'm wearing right now. And guys, I bought these. These were on sale, or were these on sale? I don't even know, but all this is from Gymshark. So this is, I could wear these shorts with that top that I just showed you. I don't know why it looks gray, but it's black. So this is what it looks like. They're a little arrugados, but just because I haven't worn them. And these are an extra small. I do like this, kind of looks a little surferish. It has, I think, like little hojitas on the background, and it looks a little distressed. So that's that. Let's see what this one is. This is the Horizon graphic shorts in black, and this is an extra small. So for the kind of like looser things, I would definitely size down, because if I got a small, it would be like a medium for me. So like looser things, I would definitely size down. And again, this is stretchy, this is cotton, and super, super cute, loose, high-waisted, everything that I like in gym wear. So next up is these. Were these on sale? Yeah, I don't even know which ones are on sale. But I got this top, this sports bra. This is, I would say, medium to very light support. This is the Energy Seamless Sports Bra in Smoky Gray in the size small. I could definitely also size one size smaller, so it's extra tight. This is a comfortable tight. So this is what it looks like. Super strappy. It's very sexy. It is very breathable. It does have the Gymshark logo as well here. And it has, let's see, it's crossed a little bit in the back. So this is what it looks like. Again, this is super stretchy. Super stretchy. It's perfect for maybe like doing yoga. I don't know if I would run in this because I'd need more support. So this is what it looks like. I love this one. And of course it is adjustable, because sometimes straps are too long. So that is ideal. I also got the matching legging in gray, the same one. I like matching sets just because I'm all not matching in the gym. I actually look really bad when I go to the gym. So according to this, this is dry moisture wicking. You wash in delicate. Again, this is an Energy Plus Seamless Leggings, Smoky Gray, and I got these in small. These are true to size. The leggings are definitely true to size. If I got an extra small, it'd be way too tight. I would not be comfortable in an extra small. So these are true to size. So this is what it looks like. It has these little holes here as well. And if you are a tall person, I am 5'5", you can definitely wear these. Probably like 6 feet, because they stretch a lot like that. So these are like perfect for me, but they could fit someone who's definitely taller than me. So that's the front. It has the Gymshark logo there. It has the logo there in the back. Again, these are high-waisted. And it has that on the bottom. And you stretch, it has like little holes. Like that. So I'm so excited to wear that. It's a shame that we can't even go out right now to the gym to work out. So another one that I got is it the same one? It looks the same. No, it's actually different. I got in this super pretty blue. This is what it looks like. I could definitely size down in this as well. I could use an extra small in this. This has to be a small. This is the Energy Seamless Crop Top Blue in small. So this is what it looks like. Blue is one of my favorite colors. This is a super pretty blue. And it has these straps in the back. This one is not adjustable. Something to think about if you like that adjustment on yourself. It is a little thick on the bottom, so it's almost kind of like a top, not just a sports bra. So it looks like that. And I got the matching legging, obviously, just because I wanted sets, something that I don't have in my collection. So this is what it looks like, the Gymshark logo here. So this is the bottom, very, very stretchy and supportive in the waist. It looks like that. And this is how the back looks with the Gymshark logo. I don't know if you guys want to see the crotch, but I'll show it to you guys. So this is what the crotch looks like. They are very seamless. These leggings are very, very seamless. So, and it does have these little breathable holes along the sides. And again, someone who's taller can definitely fit into these because they stretch a lot. And again, this is the Energy Seamless Leggings, blue in small. Again, I would not size down in this one. The leggings are true to size. So that's the back. Love that color. It's a, I don't even know what to call it, like a periwinkle gray blue-ish. It's a beautiful, beautiful blue. And lastly, this is a set that my boyfriend bought me, and this is what got me hooked. So this is the, I don't know what this one is, but this is in size small. This is the top. This is a little more supportive than the other ones. I have run in this one, but I feel like I would like more support. When it has a thicker strap, that's what I prefer. So this is the back. I like that it says Gymshark in the back as well. Super stretchy. All of these that I just showed you have their little cups inside. Pretty sure they all have it. Yep, they all have it. So you can obviously take them off if that's something that you don't want. So that's the inside. Super cute. This one has adjustable straps. And it is more like, it does cover you from the chest a little more. And he got me the leggings, the matching leggings. This is all I really wanted for Christmas, just because I don't really need anything. This is more of a want, just because my gym attire is okay, but it could be better. So this is the front. Again, the top portion, like your waist, is very, very supported. Like when you're doing squats where you're running, these leggings won't fall off. I have had some, I believe they were Adidas, and we were doing a aerobics class. Oh my gosh, I hated my workout just because of the leggings that I was wearing, because they were falling off. So definitely, if you don't have good gym attire on, like clothes on, it's definitely gonna interfere with your workout for sure. So this is the front. It doesn't have any holes or anything, but it does have like that little gray line on the side, like that. Super stretchy. And it has kind of like this little line here to kind of make your buns look a little bigger. So that's cute. This little form here looks like a little bit like a peach. And then it also says Gymshark here. Again, I've worn these already. These, yeah, out of everything I've worn, this one I wore to the gym. Loved this. Maybe not for running the top, because I feel like I need a little more support, but for yoga, other things like doing weights, I'm perfectly fine. And when they had the sale, I decided to snatch these since I already had the top. It made sense to me. So this is the bottom. These I have not worn, and I got these. Let's see what size. Hopefully all of this fits because I tried it on. Small, thank God. So these look like that. They're essentially the same as the other ones, but short. I definitely noticed that these were definitely tighter than the leggings. I'm not sure why, but that's what I felt when oh yes, they're different. So if you compare the shorts they're the same color, fabric, design. The shorts are definitely smaller if you measure them than the leggings. That's why they were so tight. I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, why are they so tight? So that's definitely why. Oh, and I didn't even see that it had, where is this? I just saw it. It has Gymshark right there. So the shorts, these shorts in particular, were smaller than the leggings. So FYI, to me, this is an extra small. So these were definitely a little more tight. So that's something to consider as well. I do really like this little detail it has in the back. And I didn't want them to be too short because I don't want to be that revealing at the gym. So I thought all of this was super cute. Super, super cute. If you guys have tried Gymshark already, please let me know. Hopefully they have more deals because I feel like I'm compulsively like looking online to shops. I don't know if you guys are doing that right now in this quarantine. So if you guys happen to like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will be shopping more Gymshark attire as well. You know, I feel like I need more of this. So hopefully we can go to the gym soon. So for the meantime, I am working out at home. So hopefully we can all, you know, live our lives, you know, pretty soon. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.